The Andromeda Galaxy is racing toward us at a stunning 250,000 miles per hour and will one day collide with the Milky Way. Andromeda, also known as Messier 31 or M31, is the nearest major galaxy to our own. It's found in the constellation Andromeda. This colossal barred spiral spans about 220,000 light-years, making it over twice as wide as the Milky Way. Even though it's far away, Andromeda can be seen with the naked eye on clear, dark nights as a faint, fuzzy patch. If you could see its whole extent, Andromeda would appear 6 times wider than the full moon in our sky. Andromeda is about 2.5 million light-years from Earth, a staggering distance, yet our galactic neighbor. Andromeda contains close to 1 trillion stars, up to 10 times the visible star count in the Milky Way. The Hubble Space Telescope has mapped more than 200 million of these stars in a single, stunning image mosaic. Despite its size, Andromeda's current star formation rate is just about 1 solar mass per year, lower than the Milky Way's. At its heart, Andromeda hosts a supermassive black hole weighing between 100 and 200 million solar masses. The core displays a curious double nucleus, one bright cluster offset from center, and the central black hole surrounded by hot young stars. Andromeda's disk lies within a vast, invisible halo of hot gas, stretching nearly halfway to the Milky Way. Over 20 satellite galaxies orbit Andromeda, including the prominent companions M32 and M110. Among its outer clusters, Myal 2 is brighter than any globular cluster in our galaxy, and may be a remnant core of a long-absorbed galaxy. Andromeda's formation history is dramatic. A major merger 2-3 billion years ago triggered a burst of star birth and shaped the galaxy's rings and halo. During this ancient merger, Andromeda shone as a luminous infrared galaxy, as new stars formed at a frenetic pace. The galaxy's spiral arms show a distinctive warp, a sign of gravitational tugs from the satellite galaxies M32 and M110. Infrared telescopes have revealed a dramatic dust ring about 32,000 light-years from the core, where much of Andromeda's star formation is hidden. Early skywatchers described Andromeda as a little cloud. Persian astronomer Al-Sufi cataloged it in 964 CE, long before telescopes. In the early 1900s, debate raged. Was Andromeda a nebula within our galaxy, or an island universe of its own? Edwin Hubble's 1925 discovery of Cepheid variable stars in Andromeda proved it was far outside the Milky Way, a truly separate galaxy. Andromeda is classified as a barred spiral like the Milky Way, with a dense central bulge and extended spiral arms. Both Andromeda and the Milky Way grew by absorbing over 100 smaller galaxies over billions of years. Their halos may already be touching. Andromeda's mass, including dark matter, is similar to the Milky Way. Current estimates range from 800 billion to 1.5 trillion times the mass of our Sun. The galaxy is rich in heavier elements, thanks to billions of supernovae over its history, sending metals far outside its starry disk. Andromeda is moving toward the Milky Way at 110 kilometers per second, a rare example of a blue-shifted galaxy. Scientists expect Andromeda and the Milky Way will merge in 4 to 5 billion years, eventually forming a single giant galaxy. What will happen then? Our night sky will fill with unfamiliar stars, and the spiral arms we know will fade. Andromeda is not a static wonder. It's alive with history, collisions, and the gravitational pull toward a dramatic future. Every time we look at that faint, distant patch of light, we're glimpsing cosmic history in motion and our galactic destiny.